Moments like this, I don't care about anything. I'm just happy I have life. I should be working, but goodness me, the sound of the snow and stifled nose trees, it's so precious. I don't care if I do a PhD or not at this moment. I'm just glad I can have this beautiful soul lie on my chest and get some sleep. It's nothing as sweet as this. And at this moment, my mean supervisors can't even reach me. That's a secret. They don't know the joys I have as they try to frustrate me. And I just want to say thank you, Jesus.